At night, I don't feel safe at all. I don't go outside because the area where I live, it's not that friendly. But sometimes I do have to go out at night, so when I do, I walk really fast.
In the evenings, yes, I feel a little unsafe when I'm going in some lonely places, or it might be any quiet areas.
You don't feel safe for here, and you don't feel comfortable wearing whatever you're wearing at night.
Usual ogling, the usual whistling and all that. There were these two guys and they just kept staring at my chest. And so like I got kind of freaked. I went to my friends and I told them, you know, like this is what's happening. So they were like, okay, come, let's go. And those guys, like they followed us for a bit. And so like I got really freaked out, and like I was also a bit angry. So like I turned and I just faced them and I was like, can I help you with something? To which they were like, no. And they just kept staring. So like all three of us just walked out of there and we ran into Nilgiris.
Sorts of like catcalling and, you know, seeing by auto drivers or things like that, and random people following and things like that. But for that, whenever anything like that happened, I've always been sure that I've been on the phone with someone, and then I automatically go into some shop or something like that.
Few guys even, you know, find girls wearing, you know, kurti and leggings also very sexy. So I just don't get it what we can do there. There is a chemical problem in their mind.
If I do go out, I try and have someone with me to, you know, be there. And I always have my phone in hand ready to like call someone or, you know, like talk to somebody quickly.
We have some self-defense classes in my office, so I've taken those. When I know that it's safe enough, I prefer going out and taking a pepper spray or something with me. But if I know that it might be risky, I prefer taking someone with me.
I also send them the GPS, my location, or I always have a pin and a pepper spray always in my bag just in case.
You know, whenever I travel by trains or something like that, I look for seats near which there are families or other women and things like that.
In type, if a person stares me, I stare back. This is what I do, so that the person feels embarrassed and he stops doing something. And if at all he's doing something at all, I'll just scream and shout. That is what I have planned to do for myself.
Parents should, tell their boys to be better rather than girls or society to be better.
We are at a point where more than girls, guys needs to be educated. If your girlfriend, if your wife, if your kids wanna go alone, you need to be more educated. You need to treat women with respect. So they need to get the education than women these days.
People don't consider their responsibility that the co-passenger, even if it's an unknown stranger, if it's a lady, they should take care of them. People just don't mind, even if there are few guys like commenting on a girl, people just don't do anything. That it should change. Like if you see some unfavorable situation, you should like step up and do something about it so that it stops.
We feel that education would change everyone, right? But here what we see, even educated people are doing something like that.
Basically, men, women, that equality should be inculcated while you're growing up itself.